Good afternoon students, how are you? I think all of you are fine. Okay, very good. Okay. Today we will do the exercise 8.3 question number 4. Okay. The question is, Arun bought a car for rupees 3,50,000. The next year the price went up to 3,70,000. What was the percentage of price increase? Okay. What was the percentage of price increase? Okay. Am I audible and visible to everyone? Okay. Question number 4. The original price of the car is equal to rupees 3,50,000 and the price went up to rupees 3,70,000 in the next year. Therefore, increase in the price is equal to rupees 3,70,000 minus 3,50,000, that is equal to rupees 20,000. Now the formula is percentage increase is equal to percentage increase in the price, that is change of amount, divided by original amount, that is original price, into 100. Clear? And this is equal to 20,000 divided by 3,50,000 into 100. And therefore, this is equal to 40 divided by 7, that is 5 whole 5 by 7. Okay, therefore, percentage increase is equal to 5 whole 5 by 7. Therefore, the percentage of price increase is equal to 5 whole 5 by 7. The syllabus will be given in the next week. Okay. Everybody mute your microphone please. Then next question. Up to this portion, any problem students? Okay. The next question. Question number 5. I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20%. How much money do I get for it? Okay. Therefore, here the cost price of the TV, is equal to rupees 10,000, and it is given that profit is equal to 20% of CP, isn't it? Now, SP is equal to CP plus profit, we all know that, and this is equal to CP plus 20 divided by 100 into CP, that is equal to 6 by 5 into CP. Therefore, the selling price of the TV is equal to 6 by 5 into 10,000, and this is equal to 12,000. Therefore, the selling price of the TV is equal to rupees 12,000. Okay, clear? Any query? Syllabus will be given in the next week. Okay. Okay. Then we will go to the next problem. Question number 6. Juhi sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. She loses 20% in the bargain. What was the price at which she bought it? Okay. Here the selling price of the washing machine is given. We have to find out the cost price of the washing machine. Okay. Selling price of the washing machine is equal to 13,500 and loss is equal to 20% of CP. Now, SP is equal to CP minus loss, isn't it? Therefore, this is equal to CP minus 20 by 100 into CP. This is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5 into CP. This is equal to 4 by 5 into CP. Okay. Or 13,500 is equal to 4 by 5 into CP, since here the selling price of the washing machine is given, or CP is equal to 13,500 into 5 by 4. Now we multiply this quantity by 4 and we get this, and therefore this is equal to 16,875. Okay. Therefore, the cost price of the washing machine is equal to rupees 16,875. Okay. Any problem up to this portion? Everybody mute your microphone, please. Next question is question number 7. Chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio 10:3:12. Find the percentage of carbon in chalk. Okay, we have to find the percentage of carbon in chalk. total of all parts is equal to ten plus 3 plus 2. Clear? And this is equal to, sorry, this is 12. And this is equal to 25. This means 10 by 25 part is calcium. Three by 25 part is carbon, and 12 by 25 part is oxygen. Therefore, the percentage of carbon in the chalk would be 3 by 25 into 100 percentage. We have learned that the topic converting the fraction into percentage. We have learned that. Okay. Therefore, this is equal to 12 percentage. Clear? Therefore, the percentage of carbon in the chalk would be 12 percentage. Everybody mute your microphone, please. And the next question 7.2. In a stick of chalk, carbon is 3 gram. Then what is the weight of the chalk stick? We have to find that. Let the weight of the chalk stick is equal to x gram. Therefore, in x gram, carbon presence three by 25 into x gram. Clear? And this is equal to 3x by 25 gram. Also, it is given that 3x by 25 is equal to 3, since it is given that in a stick of chalk carbon is 3 gram. Therefore, x is equal to 25. Therefore, the weight of the chalk is equal to 25 gram. Clear? Any problem, any query, students? In the next class, we will discuss the topic algebraic expressions. Okay? Algebraic expressions. Okay? Thank you, students.